So the Paws Misery Quest for today is, so you are going to click on leader, then you click on home, then you click on leaders again, then you click on vote, then you now click here. So we are going to do it together now. So leaders, home, leader, vote, then finally we tap on hen. So do what you like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comment section. The app may be overloaded now. Don't worry, keep trying, it will go. And more importantly, if you are here to join X Doctor's airdrop, check the link and follow all the process I've highlighted in the comment section and in the description of this video. See you next time for more exciting updates.